Hi, and welcome to Warning Alert. Tech. In this video you will see more powerful wind formations and tornadoes from many parts of the earth. But you will also can find on the blog world latest news, global live news, and needed survival things for all. We live the days when everything seems to be too confusing, with shocking days, with shocking war news, shocking climate change and shocking people's behavior. That's why it's absolutely important to achieve instantly the best benefit for you and your loved ones. On the blog Warning Alert. Tech future platform, where we'll help each one with what we can, you can find latest worldwide news and videos, latest important live news, latest global warming and climate change news, latest alien and UFOs news, and strange people behavior news. Also on Warning Alert. Tech you can find more free survival videos, advice, tips and guidance which seems that we will need certainly, considering what's happening around us in our days. Find out on the blog and social media's more 100% quality proven survival products that can be the solution which can change our life in maximum alert situation. See below more survival stuff and survival things to buy which you think would be useful for you. Our lives, healthy, safety and tranquility, definitely it's the most important. For more 100% guaranteed proven quality products that can be the solution which can change our life in maximum alert situation, subscribe to our blog YouTube channel or any other social media from the links below. Keep in mind that nature is no longer the way we know it. If you are curious to see how nature unfolds in different places of the earth, watch the following sequences that have been captured by cameras. I wish you all the best, and if you liked it, or if you consider it useful to others, please get involved with a share, like and comment. Thanks.
tutup jendela ni gong mama asal ni gong. Baik gong. Seng ni mana semua? Gong tutup jendela gong. Keras asal ni gong.